Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I get to walk you through this pre-owned Aviara. This is a 2020 Aviara 32, AV32 they call it. This has 283 hours. We got the stadium seating in the back. You've got some seating here with the backrests that pop up. You've got a nice walk-through with storage under there with fender storage. We've got a garbage can, got a nice prep area right here with a fridge and then a cooler pull out, and then underneath here is a sink. So a nice area there. And here's the back of the AV32. You got nice wraparound seating. There is a table that comes with this boat as well. You've got the nice hard top here. I do have the extended shade open on this boat right now. And then we come up to the helm. We got three nice screens right here, all touch screen. Be able to control the boat. There's engine information and then GPS Garmin location. You got a couple cup holders down there. You've got some seating right here with pop-up bolsters. And then down in the 32 here we have a nice well-appointed head with sink and some storage underneath there as well. And then as we come to the bow, the AV32 has a nice big bow. You've got seating all the way around. You've got cup holders, great place to sit. You got access to your windlass in the front as well. So again, this is a 2020 pre-owned AV32. 280 hours here at our Rogers location. Come on out and take a look.